Now,
No, it's not. There's still dry there yet. I'm not
Yeah.
covering them all.
oh well, just keep mixing so that you cover them all. Just stir rather than crunch. What do you think?
No, there's still bits. Just give me. That was 10 seconds ago. I said there's still bits.
What do you mean there's still bits?
Like see that, you can see it's still raw, for a better word. You can still see cornflakes.
Oh, you can still see cornflakes.
Yeah.
No, we can't have that.
Oh, yeah. I'll lose brownies one.
Let me have a look at it then and see what I think.
You'll have to have a look.
Well, that looks pretty excellent to me actually. I think we'll keep them nice and chocolatey covered. Now we'll keep a couple of at the very end of the bowl for
You would do it in a different spoon then, fold up these.
I think so. I think so. Right. You get a different spoon. Likes of a soup spoon maybe, that would be a bit a good size. Right.
I was going to put this in there. Just do it by hand. Back on the tray again.
Yes, I just put a good heap full in so that it's, you know, rounded at the top so that it's not too small.
And when you do your Malteser,
Well, we'll put the Maltesers on the top. We'll try that anyway. Let me see how that one is.
is that enough?
That looks lovely. That looks lovely.
When you put your Maltesers in this.